Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So I wanted to do this quick video of this cool glitch right now that's happening on Instagram, and that only right now currently only works on the iPhone. So I want to show you guys how you could do this. So how you can make your post take up much more space than the usual default size. So yeah, it's very simple to do. And it's very fun to do, of course, because you get to surprise people how, like maybe something's wrong with Instagram or something. So all you have to do pretty much is pretty simple. So you have to just, I used Photoshop, I opened it, I created a new document, and then from there you could just put it from size 30 to 400. And then you create the new document, and then it'll have the size that it needs, of course, to make that long post, to make that long stretch post. And then you can add an image, you could add a solid color to it, a gradient color to it, and then just save it and then just airdrop it to your iPhone from your iMac, and boom, you have a long stretch post like this one that you just see right now on my feed. So yeah, you can just have fun with it. Instagram is probably gonna fix this really fast because I got surprised too in the morning when somebody posted this and I thought Instagram was something was wrong with it. But yeah, it's just a fun way to just play around with this glitch before Instagram fixes it. So yeah, very simple to do, and yeah, it's just fun to mess around with it right now that you can. So yeah, like I said, only works right now for iPhone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.